my Modernistas. How are you on this fantabulous day? Today's video I wanted to do was how to slay on a day like this for under $100. Yes, I did say $100 with some of the items that you already have to incorporate, in that whole outfit. For instance, today this top is $29.99. It's on my website. Skirt is $21.50, which is also on my website. The shoes that I have, which is Matin Girl, a pair that I already had, they were only $30. Yes, I caught them at Marshall's on the clearance racks for $30. The socks is only $3.99. I have the earrings, it was only $5. And the necklace, I'm sorry, not the necklace, the belt that I already had, just threw that on. This was a gift. And the shades. Now, everything that I mentioned, not including the items that I already had, was under $100, and those items can definitely be found on my website. So definitely stop by, check them out, or you can go on my Instagram. A lot of the clothing that I have on Instagram is not on my website. So definitely, and if you haven't already, definitely like the content and please subscribe to my channel for more up and coming videos. Until then,
let's get it, nigga. Let's get it. If you about this money, let's get it. What's up? I got the drugs and I got a plug, they talking the ticket. Bitches, they sit in my pants and be like, but what's on the bridges? Keep red bottoms on the bottom of my shoe, they like how we kick it. I paddle off top of my crew and I told them, nigga, let's